In this video, we listed the 5 best welding machines on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN Welding Machine. The ARCCAPTAIN DC Inverter ARC welder is a versatile and efficient 2-in-1 machine suitable for both MMA and lift TIG welding applications, designed primarily for home use. With a pilot arc current range of 20-160 divided by 200A and a no-load voltage of 65 V, it accommodates a variety of welding needs with a rated duty cycle of 60% and an efficiency rating of 85%. This lightweight model, with dimensions of 14.37 by 6.30 by 13.00 inches, is powered by an EU plug and is certified by CE and FCC, ensuring safety and compliance. With a protection degree of IP21S and an insulation grade of H, it offers reliable performance while being easy to handle, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore welding. Number 2. ANDELI 200A Machine. The ANDELI MIG 270 LCD is a welding device designed for use in various applications. Measuring 470mm x 180mm x 290mm and weighing 8.4 kilograms, this model does not feature smart capabilities and is certified with CE standards. It operates on a voltage of 110-220V and a frequency of 50-60 Hz, making it versatile for different power supply settings. The device is manufactured in mainland China and is suitable for general welding tasks. There are no specific high-concerned chemicals associated with its use, making it a straightforward option for welders. Number 3. HZHT250P Machine. The HZHT250P AC DC TIG welding machine is a versatile welding tool designed for various applications, including TIG, MMA, and ARC welding. Originating from mainland China, this CE-certified machine operates on a rated input voltage of AC 220V plus or minus 10% at 50-60 Hz, with an input power of 5.8 to 7.8 kVA depending on the model variant. It features advanced inverter technology, ensuring a strong, stable arc while allowing for precise control of multiple welding parameters such as current control and arc initiation. With a rated output of 200A for TIG and 180A for MMA, this welder can handle a wide array of materials including stainless steel, aluminum, and low-alloy steel. The machine comes equipped with accessories such as a TIG torch, electrode holder, earth clamp, and tungsten electrodes, and offers optional packages including a foot pedal for enhanced control. Its dimensions vary based on the model, but overall, it provides a compact and efficient solution for welding needs while ensuring safety and durability. Number 4. HZHT250P Welding Machine. The HZHT250P Cold TIG welding machine is a sophisticated 200A welder designed for precision applications, featuring advanced inverter technology, IGBT, and a variety of welding functions, including TIG cold welding, arc MMA welding, and TIG pulse welding. Its specifications include an input voltage of 220V, a no-load voltage of DC 62, and a broad arc current range of 10-200A, making it suitable for different welding tasks. The machine operates with a 90% duty cycle and offers a pulse frequency range from 0.2 to 200 Hz, ideal for welding ultra-thin materials without deformation. Key features include quick connect output plugs to prevent overheating, digital welding torch control for enhancing efficiency, and an automatic standby mode to conserve power. Additionally, the package includes essential accessories, such as a digital welding torch, earth clamp, electrode holder, and optional welding helmet, making it a comprehensive solution for both professional and DIY welders. Number 5. HZ200A Machine. The HZ MIG 250 welder is a versatile and compact welding machine that offers multiple functions including MIG, MIG without gas, lift TIG, and MMA. With a wide range of welding capabilities, it can handle aluminum, iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel. The welder features a synergic function for pre-programmed parameters based on wire diameter and gas type, as well as 2T and 4T functions for different welding needs. It comes with various accessories and a 12-month warranty, making it a reliable choice for welding tasks.